Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well. So this is Mary Fatima here and I'm going to teach you computer of class 2nd. So welcome back to your online session of computer. And in this video I'm going to discuss chapter number 1 and part number 2. In the previous video I have explained you half of the chapter and the remaining chapter I'm going to continue now. Okay, so all of you please take out your book. So this is your book as you can see and the name of the book is Let's Click. All of you knows it now. Okay, very good. Now open your lesson number 1. So this is your lesson number 1 and the name of the lesson is Computer and Electronic Device. Okay, so in this chapter we have already learned features of a computer, differences between a computer and human beings, functions of computers. Okay, now today we are going to learn advantages and disadvantages of computer. What we are going to learn? Advantages and disadvantages of computer. Okay students, so in the previous video as I told you that computer is an electronic device and it is a very useful machine. It helps us to do different tasks and we have discussed the features of computers also and we have discussed the parts of computers also. Okay, so we have explained till page number 7. Now I'm going to start with page number 8. So all of you please open page number 8. So here it is. This is your page number 8 and in this page I am going to discuss advantages of a computer. First of all students, I'll make you clear that each and everything is having advantages as well as disadvantages. Same in the case of computer. Computers are having advantages as well as disadvantages. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to discuss with advantages of computer. So all of you, please listen to me very carefully. Computer has made a very vital impact on society. It has changed the way of life. The use of computer technology has affected every field of life. Okay, so nowadays all of you knows very well that computer is very important and it makes an important role in our society. Okay, because it has changed the way of our living because nowadays in almost every field computers are being used. Okay, as people are using computers to perform different tasks quickly and easily in various fields, the use of computer makes different tasks easier. It also saves times and efforts and reduces the overall cost to complete a particular task. Okay, so as I told you just now that in different fields computers are being used just to make the work easier as well as just to reduce the cost. Okay, so computers are very useful nowadays. Okay, now coming to the next paragraph. Many organizations are using computers for keeping their records of their customers. So many companies, so many business firms are using computers to maintain their records, okay, to maintain the records of their employees, to maintain their information, their data, okay. Now, banks are using computers for maintaining accounts and managing financial transactions. Banks are also using computers, right? Why banks are using computers? To maintain their accounts and financial transactions, okay, whatever the withdrawing and the receivings and all. Suppose I'll give you example that if I'll go to a bank and I'll ask them to open my account, so they will take my all the details and they will enter the data of my detail into their computer. Okay, earlier these things were done on the paper, but nowadays computer is a useful machine. All these things are being done on computer. Okay, the banks are also providing the facility of online banking. Online banking also we can do, like we can transfer the money from one account to another account in a very short period of time by using different types of apps, as the banks are providing the online facility. Okay, the ATM is also a type of machine by which you can withdraw your money anytime, right? Okay, now next, people are using computers for paying their bills, managing their home budgets, or simply taking a break and watching a movie, listening to songs, playing computer games. Okay, so what people are doing nowadays, people are using computer to pay their bills. Okay, like you can sit at your home and anytime you can pay your electricity bill, your others bill, you can recharge your phone. Okay, you can recharge your TV. So all these things are done with the help of computer makes these things very easily with the help of internet as well. Okay, so we can manage our home budgets. Okay, or we can simply watch movies just to entertain ourselves, we can listen to music, right? We can play computer games. Okay, all these things we can do with the help of computer. So these are the advantages of a computer. And next I'm going to tell you, online services like Skype or social media website are used for communication and information sharing purpose. So what does this online service mean? Online service, you all are using online service nowadays in some ways. Like nowadays online live classes are going on, right? So maybe you all are having laptops or computers or phone is also a type of microcomputer. So you are feeling good now when you are attending your live classes. So all these things you are doing with the help of computer. Okay, online shopping we can do, we are sitting at our home and we can shop anything. Okay, online chatting we can do, and we can do video callings also. So Skype is a video calling app, and the same process it is in WhatsApp. All of you has done video call from WhatsApp, right? Nowadays we are taking your online classes from Microsoft Teams. That is also a live social networking site. Okay, so all these things are being done with the help of computer. So computer makes our life very easy. Okay, so now the major advantages of using computers are given below. Some of the major advantages are given in your book. Let me read for you. Number one, computer is a very fast device. Yes, you all know very well computer is a very fast device because it does our work very quickly and very easily, right? Number two, computer reduces the cost of all related operations. Yes, computer reduces the cost. Okay, now coming to the next page. Point number three. Here, as you can see in your book, it is capable of performing calculations on a very large amount of data. Yes, if I'll give calculation to computer, it can solve my sum, my calculation it can do within seconds. Now number four, it can store large amount of data. Yes, it can store a large amount of data. In my computer, there are a lot of videos, lot of movies, lot of pictures, lot of data. So many things are there. Okay, so I can store, you can also store a large amount of data. Okay. Now, number five, we can also use computers for drawing, presentations, playing games, etc. Yes, we can also use it for drawing. I told you that nowadays you are free at home, so you can use computer for drawing purpose. You can do practice by drawing, by making different pictures, or you can do typing practice. Okay, you can make presentations. So all these things we can do with the help of computer. Okay, so these are the advantages of computer, and all I can say that computer is very useful machine. Okay, and you all now are aware of the uses of computer. Okay, and the advantages as well. Now, I told you that computer is having disadvantages also. So I'm going to discuss the disadvantages of computer, and it is on page number 9. Okay. So these are the disadvantages of computer. The use of computer has also created some problems in society, which are as follows. So students frequently using computer created so many problems. So these problems I am going to discuss now. Number one, a computer cannot take on its own decision. It is full dependent on human instructions. That means a computer cannot take its own decision. I told you when we are comparing human and computer machine, I told you now the difference between computer and human machine. So whatever the work computer will do, we have to give instruction to the computer, then only the computer will do that work. By own, he cannot take any decision, he cannot do any work. Okay. Number two, it causes harm to health and environment. Yes, it causes harm to our health. Like I have given you one example. There was a manner, computer manner in your book. in first page it is given that you have to sit straight while you are working on a computer. Otherwise, if you will not sit straight, you'll have back pain. That is a type of health issue, right? Now, number 3, there is always a risk of virus attack. What is virus attack? What does it mean? Do you know what is virus attack? Okay, let me clear you. Virus is something like आप लोग हिंदी में बोलते हो कि कीड़ा, right? So this virus can enter into your computer. Okay, don't think that real insect will enter into your computer. Virus means something which can harm your computer, and then your data can be lost. You have heard about so many viruses like Norton, Avira. Okay, like I'll give you a real example. Nowadays you are using phones you are using, तो फ़ोन में बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपकी कोई पिक्चर है वो करप्ट हो गई, खुल नहीं रही, आपको फ़ोन हैंग होने लगा. सो व्हाट इज़ इट इज़ लाइक आपके फ़ोन में कोई वायरस अटैक कर गया है. ओके, और बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि व्हेन यू हैव टू फॉर्मेट योर डेटा, तभी वो आपका वायरस जाएगा. ओके, लाइक वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग सिक ना, हम भी बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. इन द सेम वे अगर हम कंप्यूटर की प्रॉपर केयर नहीं करेंगे, कंप्यूटर विल ऑल्सो फील सिक और उसमें वायरस आ जाएगा. तो डिसएडवांटेज ये हो गया कि जब उसमें वायरस अटैक कर जाता है तो वॉट एवर द डेटा वी आर हैविंग इन दैट, वो भी सब हमारा डेटा ख़त्म हो जाता है और करप्ट हो जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द डिसएडवांटेजेस, क्योंकि बहुत बार वी कैन लॉस्ट आवर इम्पोर्टेंट डेटा ऑल्सो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट, fourth one, it reduces the need of manual work and increases unemployment in society. Yes, it reduces the need of manual work. Manual work means जो काम पहले हम हाथ से करते थे उसके लिए अब कंप्यूटर यूज़ होने लगे हैं, कंप्यूटर मशीन्स यूज़ होने लगी हैं, तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है, बेरोज़गारी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है. ओके, बिकॉज पहले 10 लोग मिलकर एक काम करते थे, अब वो 10 लोगों का वर्क ही एक पर्टिकुलर कंप्यूटर कर देता है, तो लोगों को ज़्यादा हायर करती हैं कंपनीज और कंप्यूटर्स ज़्यादा रखती हैं. Okay, so it reduces the need of manual work, and employment also increased in the society with the use of this computer. Okay, now next we are having the improper and prolonged use of computer can result in injuries or disorders of hands, wrist, elbows, eyes, neck and back. Yes, द इम्प्रॉपर एंड प्रोलॉन्ग्ड यूज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर. अगर हम कंप्यूटर का लगातार यूज़ करेंगे और ढंग से कंप्यूटर का यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, वी विल नॉट सिट प्रॉपरली, वी विल कंटिन्यूसली वॉच ऑन कंप्यूटर, सो इट कैन हार्म अस. हमें आइज़ डिज़ॉर्डर्स हो सकते हैं. ओके, हमारे रिस्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, हमारे हैंड पेन करने लग सकते हैं, बैक कैन ऑल्सो पेन. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ डिसएडवांटेज, मेजर डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. नाउ सिक्स्थ वन, some people use computer for negative activities. They hack the credit card numbers of other and misuse them, or they can steal important data from big organizations. So इसमें क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स के, सम ऑफ द पीपल आर यूजिंग कंप्यूटर फॉर नेगेटिव एक्टिविटीज़, गलत काम करने के लिए दे आर यूजिंग, है ना, लाइक दे आर डूइंग ब्लैकमेलिंग एंड ऑल. समटाइम्स वो आपके क्रेडिट कार्ड का नंबर हैक कर लेते हैं, कुछ कंपनीज़ की पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हैक कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द बिग लॉस टू द कंपनी. ओके, सो ये भी एक डिसएडवांटेज होता है कंप्यूटर का. सो इफ़ there are advantages of computer, there are disadvantages of computers also. Okay, so this was the last point which I have discussed today, and I hope the chapter is very clear to you what I taught you today. Okay, but one more time, please read the chapter by yourself and go through the video. Okay students, so I'm having some homework also. Please note down that. All of you, please open your activity time. In the previous video, I have given you activity 1, which is on page number. The activity 1 is on page number 12. Okay, so this activity number 2, it is also on page number 2. So this is your homework. What you have to do in this, you have to paste pictures of different scanner in the space provided. So here, as you can see, space is provided. So you have to paste pictures of different scanners. You can take printout from market, or you can paste from your old books also, or from some other magazines or newspapers cuttings. You can paste 1 or 2 scanner, that is more than enough. So it is your homework, students. Okay, and you have to do it. Okay student, and in the next video I'll continue with the remaining portion of the chapter, which is your book work as well as your question answers, that we will continue in the next video. Okay, till then all of you stay home, stay safe, take care and enjoy.